Hi, I'm Madhavan. I'm one of the co-founders of Questbook, and I'm going to quickly walk you through the product. Questbook is a tool for streamlining the grants process and measuring its impact in a community-first fashion. Here you can see a page by Polygon's DAO, and these are all of the grants that they have created and are accepting applications for. They have attracted over 300 applications and disbursed more than 50 grants in the last 2 months alone. And all of this has been done with just a team of three. Not only Polygon, other top DAOs and foundations are also using Questbook. This includes Celo, Solana, Clayton, Aave, and more to come soon. So let's look at the process end to end. This is what a builder sees when they're applying for a grant on Polygon. On the right, they can see all of the details pertaining to the grant, and on the left, they see an application form. All of the questions on this application form is completely customizable to your specific process. And once the builders do apply for the grant, you can see all of the applications in one place on one dashboard. You can see their status, where they are in the funnel, and take appropriate action. Once an application comes in, you can assign reviewers either manually or automatically. And these are people who will be evaluating each of the application that comes in. These could be people from the community or from the team that you already have. The reviewers can give feedback on each of the application that comes in. You can customize the dimensions on which you want the reviewers to give their feedback. And you can use these signals from the reviewers to make a decision on whether or not to give out the grant. The reviewers do not have the power to approve or reject applications. They can only give reviews and what they feel about the project. Only admins have the right to either approve or reject applications. Once an application has been approved, you can start sending them funds. You can send funds from MetaMask, Gnosis, or any other wallet that you use. The interesting thing is you can send funds only when milestones are actually being hit. That way you know that money is being disbursed only when work is actually being done. So all of the user interactions that you saw in the last few screens are completely on-chain. Questbook as a product is completely decentralized in the sense that we do not run our own servers, we do not run our own databases. All of the data is either stored on-chain or on decentralized store. We support all of the major EVM compatible chains. Because all of the data is on-chain, we are able to create these beautiful looking graphs from the data that is stored on-chain. Visual dashboards provide maximum transparency for people in your community. Using these visual dashboards, people in the community can determine how the grants program is progressing. Questbook is the best tool if you want to run a delegated domain allocation. Delegated domain allocation is a framework for running the grants program in a community-first fashion. If you have a foundation that runs the grant program, you don't need a single committee to be making all of the decisions. You can have people in the community pick up the grant program for specific verticals. For example, if Alice is an expert in developer tooling, give her $500,000 and let her run the developer tooling vertical. Similarly, if Bob is a security expert, you can let him run the security bug bounty program, and so on and so forth. With this, you will be able to involve people in the community and leverage their strengths to run your grant program. That way, the committee that is running the grants program does not get burnt out, and at the same time, it helps avoid blind spots that the committee itself might have. Because these people are experts in their specific domains, they'll be best equipped to make a judgment on whether or not to give out grants to a specific project. We've been proposing delegated domain allocation wherever there is an active grants program. And we have received stellar responses from all of these communities. Top DAOs and foundations have either already launched or are going to be launching soon on Questbook. This is a great opportunity for you to launch your grant programs over here as well, so that you're able to leverage the traffic that is already coming onto Questbook. We'd love to help you make your grant program more decentralized. If this is something that you are interested in, you're actively looking at launching your grant program or improving your existing grant program, please do hit us up at questbook.xyz. Thank you, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.